Shout out goes to EAS Arizona for submitting this request.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. A dangerous virus named the Riptide Flu virus has infected many areas of the public. The Riptide Flu is a dangerous avian flu canine influenza strain that is highly contagious. All residents should stay indoors and do not go outside or you will get the Riptide Flu. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.